What's up everyone, Danny Lightning here. Today we are checking out the brand new Tonor TC310 USB condenser microphone. In the box you're going to get the microphone, you're going to get the pop filter, and you get a little metal stand as well, which is pretty cool. There's a knob on the bottom. You can turn the knob to adjust how bright the light is, and there's a knob on the top. If you turn the top, it's going to adjust how loud the microphone is. You can change the color of the RGB. There's a little thing on the front you can press. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that and turn it all kinds of different rainbow colors. And one of the last ones is the cool color changing mode, which is actually my favorite. This thing also makes a really nice night light. So yeah, light adjustment, volume adjustment, mute button, pop filter, little metal stand, and it's also got a nice shock mount that should absorb some vibration. So we're going to go ahead and set this on the desk. We're going to kind of beat on the desk and see if it picks up any unwanted vibrations or not. Microphones are never going to sound as good when they're down on the desk like it is right now. Microphones always sound better as you bring them closer to your face, but we're tapping on the desk. I'm going to grab my mouse and kind of pick it up and set it down a few times. I'm not hearing any resonance, but what I am hearing is just the sound of me tapping. This is a condenser microphone, so it will pick up all the little noises around it. So that's not a bad resonance, that's just it picking up the sound of the tapping or the mouse. And another reason why you don't necessarily want to have your microphone down on the desk is because it's closer to your keyboard, and especially a condenser microphone. This is a keyboard test. Now we bring the microphone a little closer and we start doing the keyboard clacking test. You're probably not hearing the keyboard anywhere near as much. So let's test for plosives when we say Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Is the microphone making popping sounds? Well, if the pop filter is working correctly, it shouldn't. So who is this microphone for? Well, you're probably not going to record a gold record or a professional voiceover with this, but if you're just wanting a microphone that looks really cool and you want to chat with your friends on Discord or something like that, and you only have about $30 to spend, this might be something you're interested in. Now, when you bring a microphone up really nice and close to your face, it does sound better, but this microphone does have one thing I would like to point out. If you get a little bit louder and you have the microphone close to you, it will distort. The microphone is not great at handling loud sounds. So if I go, hey, it probably just distorted right there. So if you game and you get excited, you might want to keep the microphone back a little bit, maybe 6 to 8 inches away. That way it's going to handle the loud sounds a lot better. I notice when I have it back and I get a little loud, it doesn't distort. So if you're one of those really close talkers, make sure you just talk nice and soft. So what do you guys think? When it comes to looks, I would say this microphone has the looks. This microphone is beautiful. They did a great job at making this microphone look really good. So the question is, what do you think about the sound quality? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this microphone sounds good? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your comments, and thingy dingies like that. Now, if you don't like the way the pop filter looks, the pop filter is removable, but if you say Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers, without the pop filter, you might be in some trouble. Alright, so now you're hearing me on the little fine USB condenser microphone. This one is also around $30, just to get a good idea of what a different condenser microphone for around the same price might sound like. There you go. This is one by fine, so let's go back to the Tonor. Alright, so now we are back on the Tonor, and this is how it sounds. But I think that's probably going to wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And in the pinned comment and the video's description, I will post some product links, and you will be able to find where to buy this in there if you're interested in this little microphone. Like I said, I really think this is just for somebody who wants a microphone that looks really cool, sounds decent to chat with their friends and stuff like that. So yeah, for 30 bucks, not too bad.